Hilly, you know you're coming in this video, right? There's drawing involved. It's the second generation, but I never had a chance to even check out the first. It is the Microsoft Surface Studio. It kind of just looks like an all-in-one system from this perspective, but you spin it around and you realize what is special about it. It's all about being artistic. Did I spit on that? Being artistic, using the pen, and of course, touch input that's associated with it. And it has this crazy base that allows you to set it up in this number of different angles, including this wonderful drawing angle right here. It's a 7th gen Core i7 processor, 1 terabyte of SSD storage. Of course, you can configure that even higher if you want to. 32 gigs of RAM, and this one has a GTX 1070 with 8 gigabytes of VRAM, so you can actually do some gaming on this. Futuristic, it's cool, you can imagine it in certain environments. Oof. 4500 by 3000 is the resolution, and how big is it? 28 inches, okay, so that's a legit desktop replacement scenario. Look at that, this just wants to say hi. Would you see? Look at that. Ah, there it is. Stopping at every angle all the way down. Whoa. We have the pen. Wham, I love it. Can you put it on the other side? You can. All right, ambidextrous, left, right. It's a slender keyboard scenario, ladies and gentlemen. It's a little bit matte, it's a little bit flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports, a wired Ethernet jack, the power port, a Type-C connector, an SD card slot, and a headphone or audio output through 3.5 millimeters. Booting up. What are all these front-facing cameras, Will? Ah, hello face authentication camera.
And I'm here to help.
Shh. The other is a 5 megapixel camera, a couple of microphones as well, by the looks of it. We're gonna, oh, it's picking up Jack over there. Oh, it almost got you there. We're gonna try the face unlock, so here we go. Did you get me? Got me. Cool. The real magic, it happens here in just how smoothly you can adjust the working angle. I'm envisioning, you know, creative professionals who generate a ton of pen-based art. The whole thing feels super high quality, to be honest. Like, it is solid and weighted. Let's see here. It's an interesting way to work. Something I'm noticing right away is that even though it's touch from the pen, it's doing a good job of rejecting my hand as well. I can really rest my hand on there, just getting around the OS. It's very fast. I just realized that this has a dedicated eraser and it's clickable, and it actually works to like launch other things. You see that? Wow, that's cool. And what if you just turn it around, it becomes eraser, becomes an eraser. Anyhow, Willie Doo, we're gonna bring him in. He's gonna evaluate this. He's gonna look at the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s, and he's gonna pull no punches. So if you're a sensitive viewer, now's the time to leave.
Where are you going? All right. I'm gonna try to attempt to draw Ryan from memory. Okay, so I can zoom in here.
Oh, that's very detailed.
Yeah, just got the eyes. It's always got the nice smile here. Pencil neck. He's still a growing boy. Yeah, there you go. There. It's not bad. I dig it. It works.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Are you cartooning right now?
A little bit.
You are.
A little bit. It's pretty fun, man.
Are you having a little time to yourself?
Yeah.
You are.
Yeah.
You are, aren't you?
The screen is huge, which I like, because you have so much desk space.
It's
Real
kind of fun.
Yeah.
It's a bit fun.
Is this the full brightness?
No. Whoa.
That makes a huge difference.
Holy, that is very bright now. It's a different experience, I think, because it's at a desk. It feels like, kind of like work.
Architects, engineers that want to draft some drawings.
And you know what's nice about this? You do, you know, you're working, you're doing what you're doing, and then it's just a quick, oh, here, you want to check this out?
Yeah, that's true.
Now we're talking about it.
Yeah, yeah.
Now there's a presentation there. Now there's spreadsheets. There's PowerPoint. The only issue is price.
Yeah.
So it starts around 3,500 bucks. The spec we have here would be even a little bit more with the bigger SSD. I mean, if you're a professional, that's chump change. So your desk is normally like this. You know, you're working away, and then you pull it in close every so often.
Yeah, get intimate.
Wow, I just realized you could even have it come off the table a bit, and you're just kind of, you know?
And never did I feel that the hinge was too loose.
Oh, it's solid.
Sometimes like I would press down
No. Yeah. Solid, even at the top edge.
Yeah.
But the question is, does it fulfill the rest of it? Like, would you put it on your desk? Would you try to play a game?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
You would.
It's a 28-inch screen.
You would play a game. Would you watch some Netflix on here?
I would.
You would?
Yeah.
What would you watch on Netflix?
There's a new one that's actually pretty good. I recommend it. Evolution of Us. Yeah.
Sure, bud.
It's pretty good.
Sure, bud. One thing we should mention, you were in here in the drawing up and I saw you doing a lot of this action.
A lot of pinching.
There is an accessory, the little turn
dial,
which sticks to the display, and depending on the app you're in, it can modify certain characteristics. It can bring up certain tools. You can add that accessory as well. Let's turn up the volume. Let's check out the speakers. A Type-C cable, a Type-C audio adapter. Maybe you could expect something louder because the thing is so big, but one thing I will say is very clear. I mean, it's gonna get the job done. You do still have a headphone jack on here and audio output if you want to go to other speakers or to a set of headphones.
Yep.
You know, you gotta give it to Microsoft, sort of. Even for a person who might not think they want to use the pen input that much, they may get into these things and still have a computer at the same time. And then all of a sudden, next thing you know, they're Willy Do. The Surface Studio, you can have your very own studio. And you can draw pictures of Ryan on the beam. Or you could do something a lot better.
Yeah.
No offense.
None taken.
Oh.